All right, I'm going to teach you how to make salmon dip. First, let's cut up our red onion. All right, and once that's cut up, I'm going to go ahead and put the cream cheese in the microwave for 30 seconds to soften it up. And this is the smoked salmon I got from Sam's Club. It's already pre-cut, but I'm going to go ahead and cut it up smaller to go into the dip. All right, let me get the cream cheese out the microwave. It's nice and soft. So from this point, I'm going to go ahead and start adding my sour cream. I don't measure, I just go by sight. I'm going to go ahead and mix that together to make it a creamy consistency like that there. And I use my spoon to get it off the sides, and then you can see how creamy it is. All right, I'm going to add in some garlic powder, some black pepper, some dill weed, some chopped chives, going to go ahead and mix all the seasonings together. All right, that's what it looks like once it's mixed. I'm going to add lemon juice, minced garlic, some Worcestershire sauce. I can never pronounce that right, but you know what I'm talking about. Just a little bit though, y'all. Go ahead and mix all of that up. All right, adding in my salmon and my red onions. I'm going to go ahead and mix that all up. All right. Now I'm going to add a little bit more dill weed and some Tabasco sauce for a kick of flavor. You can use Tabasco sauce with wasabi, jalapeno peppers, whatever you like to kick up the spiciness of it. I'm going to mix that all in together. And we're done mixing it in. I'm going to taste it. It's delicious. Salmon dip. Enjoy.